Back, new day, new exercise. So today we will be performing the solving the exercise where we will show the cumulative sales for each quarter and the figures. So download the file from here. I've already downloaded the file. This is the file, how it looks like. Now it's saying that you need to set up your calendar table correctly. Okay, leave this. Create and show the measure to show the quarter to date figure, right? So we will add this quarter to date measure here. So in the purchase only, I will enter one measure quarter to date. I will name it as QTD. Let's say this equal to, you can either use total QTD or calculate function. So let's use total QTD, right? So in total QTD, we will have sum of quantity. I guess quantity we can take from here, purchase, and date should be from the date key. If I click enter and if I put this here, is it matching? So let's say this plus this will give us this, like this plus this plus this. So if I calculate 2198 plus 1352 equal to 3530. Yes, so QTD we are having. Now we will add one more with the previous quarter. If you remember, previous quarter we have worked with the date add function. If you have seen my last videos, so previous quarter, if I add, and then what we can do, we can use the calculate function with the quantity, right? uh, with the sum of quantity, right, from purchase quantity, and then we can use filter as a date add function where we will be taking calendar date key, and then number of intervals would be like 1 and with the quarter. That's all. And if I put this previous qt here, so it will give us these values. Let's check, cross check if we are getting 13 19 74, yeah, 708. So yes, we are getting accurate values. So these are the previous. So if you see here in Q2 April, for first month the value was 1279. So 1279. For second month the value was 919, the 919, and then 1352. So yes, we are getting accurate value till here. And then we need to add one more column, like we have added 1 to 2. Yep. So is there any other column? Quarter to date, QTD, QTD2. What's QTD2? Like 2 months back. So yep, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.